guys, I hope you guys can hear me, but so here we are, SPX. So yesterday we went just above 3800 and then obviously came right below, and we closed near 3780. A lot of gamma shift yesterday between 3780 and 3800 into the end of the day, and it just gets really hard to play it then. Alright, now obviously your futures came back to 3750. We tested it one more time. Let's see what happens today. Again, we might just be in an inside range. If I just go on this SPX USD, the 24-hour one, we might just trade on this top range or within this range around 3700, 3750, 3800, right? It gets really hard to really make a judgment of what's going to happen from here. And if I just go on the SPX alone, the chart, you guys can see the candles here are a little different, obviously, because closing and opening times are different, and our volatility trigger has moved up to 3800. But here we might even fill this gap today. Maybe we base round here for some time, something like this sort of action, right, where it just gets really confusing to play what's exactly going to happen with the market, right? So one just has to be really careful, practice a lot of patience. And yesterday the market moves were very clear to me, the demand and supply. Today let's see how it shapes up if we get some trades. And one thing I do want to point out today, number one, okay, first is the volatility trigger. We're at 3800. Underneath is negative deltas. Above it we are positive, but this just tells me more chop most likely, and patience, guys. On Monday and Tuesday, personally, this is according to my trading style. For you, that's different. It might be a different strategy. Maybe these last 2 days you caught some big moves in the market, and yesterday wasn't for you. But yesterday was for me, and I missed this rally. And I caught 3 plays yesterday in 1 day, right? And on Monday and Tuesday, I just said I had no plays. So what happens today? I have no idea. So if I see some meaningful plays that match my trading style, I will take them. If not, then I won't take them. As simple as that. I will not force anything. Andrew, good morning. I'm just doing this a little bit early today. Dollar DXY has been forming a little base here. Can this dip hold here, right? If this holds here, dollar goes up, that will put some pressure on equities to come lower, obviously. And then we have the 10-year rates. Again, same scenario. If we hold this dip and this trend plays and we continue for more highs above 4.2, that probably takes SPX to the low of the year, guys. UB bonds, they're pretty weak, just building a base here. If these break down further, I expect markets to go down further as well. TLT hasn't been doing much either. Right here, a similar move, just building a base here. If this breaks below 100, it flushes, also puts pressure on equities as well. Euro USD is still trading under $1, and now we see if this continues going lower or do we hold around here, because the euro has actually come down a lot compared to the dollar, right? So now it's going to become a little tough, but if we do break down further, markets will go lower. Alright, USD yen, if this breaks out, USD JPY, if this breaks out from here, which I think it will, it might just have a big spike, then we're looking at this has to do with a lot of interest. Let's see what decision comes out from here. Apple, again, same thing, just inside candle here. Let's see where the base goes from here. Do we take out the new low of the year, or do we build a base here towards 150, 145 for some time until we go down further? But once it gets under 140, that S&P probably won't be going nowhere anyways. Tesla, a lot of negative gamma in this stock, a lot of negative gamma. If the market leads to a downside, this will be the #1 stock that will flush down further, right? No one's really expecting this to happen, but that's if the market goes down. Okay, if the market holds, this could be the same stock that if the negative gamma comes off, it can go up. So for me, Apple and Tesla was just not playable these last few days, unless if you just look at this chart, you think a bounce is going to come, you're playing based off that, good luck. Amazon, not bad, held pretty well. 120, massive attractive level. Let's see today if the gamma changes on this. Same with Google, 105, 102 were massive attractive levels. Let's see today if any gamma, if there's any shift in gamma. Meta might be in play for me tomorrow, possibly. Let's see if it keeps building a base here, right? As long as we don't take out the low of the year. So this is one name that I'm keeping a close eye on. Nvidia is another name that I'm keeping a close eye on. I think you guys can tell why I'm keeping a close eye on these, because they're getting really tight here. With any market upshift, these Meta and Nvidia can make a big move to the upside. All right. Now that if it happens, I'm not gonna front run it, so I'll wait if it happens. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, great. I'm not gonna rush into anything. And Oxy, I see some of you guys are playing Oxy, and I think this was a great This 67 and 70 zone is also very tough on oxy. Just know this. But if